G'day guys, Scotty Lyons here from the Hook and The Ccok, and welcome back to our channel. Something a little different this week. I've decided to do a fishing report for January 2016 to give you guys a taste of some of the great fishing we have along Sydney's coast and inside Botany Bay. As you can see, I'm sitting here in a jumper, which is quite weird for summertime, but we've had some strange weather. We've had hot days, wet days, cold days, windy days, you name it, we've had a lot this month. And the fishing's been much the same. Some days in Botany Bay we're doing really well, catching lots of fish. You'll go back out the next day and really struggle to find fish. And it's been much the same offshore as well. So I've put a collection of small videos together from all the guys that have fished me this month and photos for you guys to enjoy. And hopefully every month I can do another report for you to give you an idea of some of the great fishing we do have. And Connor's got a nice kingfish on here. Keep going, Connor. Sean's just landed another lovely trevally.
Beautiful.
Well, there you go, Connor. Connor's first kingfish, 65 centimetres. We've got a keeper.
Killed the kingfish. He's pretty tired. Well, it's only just in his mouth.
Okay, net him.
Net him, net him.
Head first. Nice job, boys. Hey, lovely little kingfish.
Yeah.
How about we put him back in the water, eh?
Yeah. Yep.
Righto.
How big is he?
Righto, flick him in.
Thank you, Scotty. Legend.
It's late January 2016. We're out in the middle of Botany Bay. We've got a big school of tailor working. Put a bit of heat on it.
Oh, I'm on. Oh, triple hook up. Oh, triple hook up, mate.
Right, lift him in. Yep, just lift him up and in when he's on the surface.
Another good tailor here.
Oh, it's beautiful work, boys.
Oh, nice. Good tailor.
Just lift him in. Just up and in. Just lift the rod. Up, up and in.
Oh.
Oh, nice. Yeah, this one's a good size.
Oh, good one, James. Good one. Beautiful.
Right.
Nice work, boys.
You'll be happy with that one?
That's good. Oh, mate.
Nice fish, boys.
Nice triple hook up. Nice. Triple hook up. Yeah, how about that?
Yeah, it's tailor following it. Come here, Willie. Jump your lure inside.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that fantastic fishing for January 2016 as much as I did and everyone who joined us. Now tune in next week for another fantastic clip on the Hook and the Cook, and remember to subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, and we'll see you every Friday here at the Hook and the Cook. Cheers guys.